Hi.
Hello. How can I help?
We have a Bosch Excel 8 washing machine. It appears that somehow the child lock has been activated and I can't turn it off. Have tried multiple things from internet searches without luck. Machine number is WAC28461GB/12FD9307-00137.
Is your Bosch washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Front loader, 6 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch washer? What have you tried so far?
Started mid-cycle on Monday, but my wife didn't tell me until I went to use machine yesterday. Tried pressing and holding the start button, pressing and holding the clock icon, and pressing holding the clock and spin speed icons together. Still have flashing key and word yes showing on display though.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Only that I have drained the machine as it stopped mid-cycle and still had towels in it.
Hi, I'm James, a JustAnswer expert. We offer chargeable services. You may see adverts for me to call you. These are optional services you can purchase. So you're seeing the key, or is it a padlock icon showing on the display? And what other symbols are showing?
Hi, it's showing a flashing key, the word yes, spin speed, temperature, and a symbol that looks like a circle and dome joined. Don't know how else to describe it and am unable to upload a picture for some reason. Sorry, pictures attached.
Okay, if you turn the dial to off, 12 o'clock, hold down the start button and turn it back to the first click, let go of start and back to off, then back to first click. Do the same icons appear?
No change.
Okay, and when you turn the dial, does the key icon flash?
Key icon constantly flashing no matter what I do.
Right, start at the first setting on the dial, wait 5 seconds, then move it to the next one. Repeat this all the way round all options on the dial until you get to a position where after the 5 seconds the key stops flashing and is statically on.
Key icon gone off completely and machine working again. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.